Good morning, 819S. It's a chilly one and it's overcast, so it feels even colder today. Today I want to talk about another Honda Monkey modification that I've seen recently. So a few days ago I talked about a tank and seat that can convert a Monkey 125 into a Gorilla 125. Today I want to talk about a tower. There's a company that makes a rally tower that can be bolted onto a Honda Monkey. It makes the Monkey look a little bit more like a rally bike. I'm really into rally bikes. I've always been into kind of adventure and off-road style bikes. I think that's something that I would be interested in using. The rally tower gives it the kind of tough off-road look, and it's actually more affordable than I would have expected. Still a little bit out of my price range currently, but it's not so outrageous. What do you think? Does a Monkey with a rally tower look cool, or does it look a little gimmicky or strange? I'd love to hear what other people have to think. I'm actually not going to buy one, but I would love to ride one for a little while. That's for sure. All right, thanks so much for watching. Get out there and ride, and always ride safe.